So Chris, I see you've brought us a device to work on. What's the matter with the device?
Yeah, my device has charging issues. The battery does not, the charger does not empower the phone.
So the charger is not empowering the phone, and
Yeah, and
that means when you plug it in, it doesn't increase in percentage, right?
yeah, it doesn't unless you do a lot of tilting
Does it even? Oh, you have to bend
and
to.
bend, but still sometimes it's even if you bend.
Let me have a look at the monitor. It's in days, but that means it's a loyal partner. Anyway, so I'm suspecting that. All right. So anyway, um, just had to just plug in. Okay. The charger launches. Unfortunately, it's too bright. You may not be able to see. So that means that where do I put the soldering gun? Have me an plug got this white one. There. That's all right. And that one. Now, okay. So I think I need to see that. Unfortunately, you can't see on this screen. I wanted to show percentage rise, and yeah, but let me shut it down. It will make it easy for me to confirm with you that the percentage is truly rising. Hope I didn't restart. Okay, so now let me plug in. Let me plug in. This is interesting. So my current meter shows that it's drawing current. So let me be closing as we get ready to observe. I feel it vibrate, so I think it has got enough power to light